Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Malaysia Investment. Guys, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, click the bell notification and smack the like button. Okay guys, today I'm gonna share to you how you're gonna apply for MITI letter, all right? So I will share to you the step-by-step of how you can apply for MITI approval for your business, right? So first thing first, you need to visit this website called notification.miti.gov.my/login. So when you go to this website, you can actually see this screen, all right? So next, this is very important. Please note that only essential services are allowed to operate, all right? So please check that whether your essential services is very important for you guys to stay safe, all right? So this is actually the sample of the MITI letter, right? You can download this MITI approval letter at the CIMS letter, which I'm gonna share to you later, all right? So in this MITI letter, it will show you your company name and your company details, all right? So let's jump into it, right? First thing first, again, if you're first time, go to the URL that I shared to you just now. If you're first time user, click Daftar, all right? So click Daftar. And then when you click Daftar, it will bring you to this page, all right? So first thing first, you need to read the SOP guidelines. So you can see here, Senarai SOP terkini, go and click this link and then you need to read all the SOP. So after you have read the SOP, then you take the agreement clause. So this is an agreement clause. You need to take here saying that saya telah membaca dan bersetuju dengan SOP yang disebutkan di sebelah. So sebelah means here, right? So saya mengesahkan bahawa saya akan memenuhi kesemua SOP yang ditetapkan oleh Kementerian Perdagangan Antarabangsa dan Industri. Alright, so basically you tick here to say that you agree with the SOP, and then after that you need to fill in all the info here. Alright, all this info here, your full name, email, IC number, and nombor license penghilang, SSM, right? You just pick one of it and then you fill in the information, put in your password, and then you click Daftar. All right, so once you click Daftar, it will bring you to your dashboard. All right, so what you need to do is that you need to just go to here, download the template to fill in the employees list, right? So basically you come to here, template muat naik senarai pekerja. So you click here, you click this button here, then it will bring you to this Excel template, right? So please fill in the Excel template of the employees that plan to work on your premise on those days, all right? So again, fill in the employee details in the Excel template when you download that Excel template, right? So then after that, you need to start your registration. To start your registration, click Borang Notifikasi, followed by Notifikasi Beroperasi. So you can see here, Notifikasi Beroperasi, and then you click Daftar Notifikasi Baru. All right, so you click that one, then you come to here, then you click Daftar Notifikasi Baru. So you click this button, all right? So once you click this button, then you will come to this page. Now you need to fill in your company registration details, all right? So you will need to fill in the company's name, new or old SSM numbers, date of incorporation, and relevant license number. So you fill in all this information over here, all right? And then just one special note here. So if you cannot fill in any registration number, click the checkbox here, all right, to confirm that you have not registered with any relevant authority. So when you click here, it means that saya adalah pemilik perniagaan dan belum berdaftar dengan mana-mana pihak berkenaan. I am a business owner but have not registered with any relevant authority. So you just click over here, all right? So next, then you need to fill in your correspondence address, right? Fill in all these alamat, surat, menyurat, correspondence address over here, all right? Next, you need to fill in your alamat beroperasi or operation address. Fill in the operation address, MIDA manufacturing license number or MIDA exemption letter reference number, local authority license number, and local authority name. Click add location. All right, add location. If you want to add more location, you can actually add up to 10 location. All right. Now, next, you need to declare your company's type of business, whether it's manufacturing or services and others. So basically, you need to pick either one. All right. Then you need to fill in this information. Next, you need to fill in all these anggaran 3 tahun terkini and jumlah pekerja terkini. Okay, latest total employees and latest 3 years estimated revenue. All right. So yeah, so this is what I've been sharing just now, right? Fill in all the details that I shared to you just now, declare the type of business, and then I'll provide the latest 3 years estimated revenue, okay, for 3 years, 2018, 2019, and 2020. All right, next, confirm the economic activity cluster for your company. Select the relevant sector. If the sector is not available, you can try choosing another cluster. Fill in more information about your company in the product/business activities section, all right? So basically, you need to select your economic activity cluster and select the sector, and then I put in a little more details about your business activity, all right, over here. Next, you need to fill in the contact person's details for the company. This person will be responsible for all communication with MITI, all right? So fill in the main PIC where MITI can communicate with this person, name, destination, right? Office number, handphone number, email, etc., right? Next, this is important. Fill in the latest breakdown number of current employees according to the job scope and nationality. So you fill in all this information, right? Whether it's Malaysian, foreign, and then what are they doing, job scope, kind of thing, all right? Make sure the total is steady. Now, review back your template, muat naik senarai pekerja, right? So you please review back your list of workers template that you downloaded just now. And then now you need to upload this file and click save and next. So again, look at your file, make sure every information is correct. Then you upload over here, right? Muat naik documents senarai pekerja, you know, download, upload the file here, and then you click save and next, right? Now, after you click that, you can actually review all information that you have submitted. So please make sure all the information is correct, yeah? Next, if all the information is correct, click the checkbox to confirm so, right? So then you just make sure you click here, right? Click here, click the checkbox here to confirm that all the information is correct, all right? Then click submit notification to complete your submission. You have now completed your application. So basically, you just need to click submit notification, and therefore you have completed your application, right? Now, after that, MITI will verify all your information, right? Definitely that. Then after that, if your application is successful, the ministry will update your application status with Lulus. So you go back to your dashboard and then you can see here, if it's approved, then it will show here status Lulus, right? Lulus. Then you can also click Papar, okay, to see your application. Then you click print letter to print meters approval letter. So basically you click here Papar, right? Then it will show you your letter. So this is your sample of your letter again, like what I shared to you just now. And then you just print this letter, all right? Okay, guys, if you have any more information, any more question, all right, please don't hesitate to email to cims@mari.my or email to COVID-19 hotline at miti.gov.my, right? So shoot your question to them, all right, so that they can answer you accordingly. Now, thank you guys for watching. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, click the bell notification, and please remember to smack the like button, all right? You will never regret it. And don't forget to watch out for our next coming video. What are the videos that you're looking forward to watch from us, right? Please let us know in the comment below. Till then, take care, stay safe, and bye.